Hot yoga. Benefits, precautions, and practices. Hot yoga, a form of yoga performed in a heated environment, has gained widespread popularity for its potential benefits, including enhanced flexibility, detoxification, and weight loss. Originating from Bikram yoga, which consists of a series of 26 postures and 2 breathing exercises practiced in a room heated to approximately 105 degrees Fahrenheit, 40.6 degrees Celsius, with 40% humidity, hot yoga has evolved to include various styles and sequences. This video drills into the benefits of hot yoga, precautions to consider, and practical tips for getting started. Enhanced flexibility. The heat in a hot yoga studio allows muscles to warm up more quickly and thoroughly. This increased warmth can enhance flexibility, allowing practitioners to safely achieve deeper stretches and more advanced poses. During a hot yoga session, the elevated temperature helps loosen tight muscles and connective tissues, making it easier to perform poses like the standing forward bend, Uttanasana, or pigeon pose, Kapodasana. Detoxification. Sweating is a natural process that helps the body eliminate toxins. Hot yoga induces heavy sweating, which can aid in detoxification by flushing out impurities through the skin. A vigorous hot yoga session can result in significant sweating, helping to remove toxins such as heavy metals and environmental pollutants from the body. Weight loss and improved metabolism. Hot yoga can be an effective tool for weight loss and boosting metabolism. The combination of heat and intense physical activity increases the heart rate and burns more calories compared to traditional yoga. A 90-minute hot yoga class can burn between 400 to 600 calories, depending on the intensity and individual factors such as weight and fitness level. Cardiovascular health. Practicing hot yoga can provide cardiovascular benefits similar to those of moderate intensity exercise. The elevated heart rate during a session helps improve cardiovascular fitness and endurance. The continuous flow and challenging poses in hot yoga keep the heart rate elevated, promoting better circulation and cardiovascular health. Stress reduction and mental clarity. Like other forms of yoga, hot yoga incorporates mindfulness, breathing techniques, and meditation, which can help reduce stress, anxiety, and promote mental clarity. Focusing on breath control and mindfulness during hot yoga can create a meditative state, helping to calm the mind and reduce stress. Increased strength and tone. Hot yoga involves holding poses for extended periods, which helps build muscle strength and tone. The resistance provided by body weight enhances muscle endurance and stability. Poses like plank, phalakasana, chair pose, utkatasana, and warrior sequences, Virabhadrasana, help strengthen core muscles, legs, and upper body. Improved respiratory function. Breathing exercises integrated into hot yoga enhance lung capacity and improve overall respiratory function. Controlled breathing also helps manage stress and improve concentration. Pranayama, or breath control exercises, practiced in hot yoga can increase lung capacity and enhance oxygen exchange, benefiting overall respiratory health. Precautions and considerations. While hot yoga offers numerous benefits, it is essential to approach it with caution, especially for beginners or individuals with certain health conditions. Hydration. The intense heat and sweating in hot yoga can lead to dehydration. It is crucial to stay hydrated before, during, and after the session. Drink plenty of water throughout the day leading up to your class. Bring a large water bottle to your session and take small sips during breaks. Rehydrate after class with water or an electrolyte-rich drink. Listen to your body. Pay close attention to your body's signals during hot yoga. Overexertion in a heated environment can lead to dizziness, nausea, or heat exhaustion. Take breaks if you feel lightheaded or overheated. Modify poses to suit your comfort level and ability. Leave the room if you feel unwell and inform the instructor. Medical conditions. Individuals with certain medical conditions, such as cardiovascular issues, respiratory problems, or pregnancy, should consult with a healthcare provider before practicing hot yoga. Inform your instructor about any medical conditions or concerns. Consider practicing gentler forms of yoga if hot yoga is not recommended for your condition. Proper attire. Wearing appropriate clothing can enhance your comfort and performance in hot yoga. Lightweight, moisture-wicking fabrics are ideal for managing sweat and maintaining body temperature. Choose breathable, moisture-wicking clothes that allow for a full range of motion. Avoid heavy or restrictive clothing that can trap heat. Getting started with hot yoga. If you are new to hot yoga, it's essential to prepare adequately to ensure a positive experience. Here are some practical tips for getting started. Find the right studio. Look for a reputable hot yoga studio with certified instructors and a clean, well-ventilated environment. Many studios offer introductory classes or packages for beginners. Visit different studios to find one that suits your needs and preferences. Read reviews and ask for recommendations from friends or online communities. Start slowly. If you are new to hot yoga, start with beginner classes to acclimate your body to the heat and intensity. Gradually increase the duration and difficulty of your sessions. Attend a few beginner or introductory classes before moving on to more advanced sessions. Focus on mastering the basic poses and building your endurance. Bring the essentials. Ensure you have all the necessary equipment and supplies for a successful hot yoga session. Essential items include a yoga mat, towel, and water bottle. Use a non-slip yoga mat to prevent slipping during poses. Bring a large, absorbent towel to place over your mat and another to wipe away sweat. Consider investing in a yoga towel designed for hot yoga. Pre-class preparation. Prepare your body and mind for the session by hydrating well and eating a light meal a few hours before class. Avoid heavy meals and alcohol. Drink water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Eat a light, balanced meal 2 to 3 hours before class to fuel your body. Avoid alcohol and caffeinated beverages, which can contribute to dehydration. During the class. During the class, focus on your breath, listen to your body, and take breaks as needed. The heat can be intense, so pace yourself and modify poses if necessary. Maintain steady, controlled breathing to help manage heat and exertion. Take child's pose, balasana, or another resting pose if you need a break. Use props such as blocks or straps to assist with poses and ensure proper alignment. Post-class recovery. After the class, rehydrate and refuel your body to aid in recovery. Stretching and a cool shower can help soothe muscles and reduce post-workout soreness. Drink plenty of water or an electrolyte drink to replenish fluids lost through sweat. Eat a balanced meal or snack with protein and carbohydrates to support recovery. Stretch gently or use a foam roller to release tension in muscles. Popular hot yoga poses. Certain poses are particularly beneficial and commonly practiced in hot yoga. Here are a few key poses to include in your practice. Standing deep breathing, pranayama, enhances lung capacity and prepares the body for the practice. Instructions. Stand with feet together. Interlace fingers under the chin. Inhale deeply while raising the elbows. Exhale fully while lowering the elbows and tilting the head back. Half moon pose, Ardha Chandrasana. Stretches the spine, strengthens the core, and improves balance. Stand with feet together, arms overhead, and palms pressed together. Lean to the right, stretching the left side of the body, then switch sides. Eagle pose, Garudasana. Improves balance, strengthens legs and core, and enhances focus. Stand with feet together. Wrap the right leg over the left, and the right arm under the left. Sink into a squat while maintaining balance, then switch sides. Triangle pose, Trikonasana. Stretches the hamstrings, hips, and spine. Improves balance and flexibility. Stand with feet wide apart. Turn the right foot out, and extend the arms to the sides. Bend at the waist, reaching the right hand to the shin or floor, and the left hand towards the sky. Repeat on the other side. Tree pose, Vrksasana. Enhances balance, strengthens the legs, and opens the hips. Stand with feet together. Lift the right foot and place it on the inner left thigh. Bring hands to prayer position at the chest or extend them overhead. Repeat on the other side. Hot yoga offers a unique and challenging practice that can significantly enhance physical and mental well-being. The combination of heat, intense physical activity, and mindfulness provides numerous benefits, including improved flexibility, detoxification, weight loss, and stress reduction. However, It is essential to approach hot yoga with caution, especially for beginners or individuals with certain health conditions. Staying hydrated, listening to your body, and following the guidance of experienced instructors can help ensure a safe and rewarding hot yoga experience. Whether you are seeking to improve your fitness, relieve stress, or explore a new form of yoga, hot yoga can be a valuable addition to your wellness routine. If you received value from this video, please like, subscribe and comment.